The XKC series controller has the ability to control fan speed from the controls. In all control types, except constant volume panels, or CV panels with motor starters, the controls can adjust or are communicating the speed for the fans to run at. The exception is in constant volume panels set to run makeup air or exhaust fans with remote start. In these cases, any adjustment ability would be dependent on the makeup air unit or exhaust fan. In all other situations, the XKC series control panels dictate fan speed in one of two ways, and both will be done from the touchscreen of the controller and not from any drive or fan. The first kind of control is through VFDs, or variable frequency drives. Our control panel will communicate to VFDs either through Modbus, a data communication protocol, or if VFDs are remote or provided by others, through hardwired analog communication. For any Modbus VFDs, the VFD will be noted on the field wiring diagram in the first column. To adjust Modbus VFD speed, the setting for adjustment can be found in either the exhaust or supply fan settings menu. In our first example, we will adjust exhaust fan 2. First, navigate to exhaust fan settings. Service password is 1000. Navigating to exhaust fan settings, we select exhaust fan 2. The settings menu is a loop, so you can go up or down, but we will navigate to the Modbus VFD settings first. The two settings are max frequency and min frequency. For constant volume applications, max will be the only adjustable setting. Minimum frequency adjusts the low end with a variable volume system. This is the absolute minimum the fan runs when under temperature interlock. To adjust the setting, enter on it, and then adjust up or down with the arrows on the display. As a note, the minimum frequency cannot be higher than the maximum frequency setting. The maximum set point adjusts in a similar manner. To adjust the setting, enter on it, and then adjust up or down with the arrows on the display. Another note, the maximum frequency cannot be lower than the minimum frequency setting. The other speed control the XKC series controller utilizes is a low voltage 0 to 10 VDC signal from the main board. The controller utilizes this for any Vari-Green motor equipped fan, makeup air unit, or any fan by others, including VFDs by others. For any 0 to 10 VDC controlled fan, the fan will be noted as E or S for exhaust and supply in the third column of the diagram. They will also be noted as plus or negative for positive or negative. To adjust the DC voltage signal, the setting will again be found in either the exhaust or supply fan settings menu depending on the target fan. For our second example, we will adjust exhaust fan 1. Navigate to exhaust fan settings, enter service password 1000, then select exhaust fan 1. The settings menu is a loop, so you can go up or down, but up will get us to the VDC settings first. The 0 to 10 VDC controlled fans operate on a principle that at 10 VDC, the fan will run at 100% capacity, and at 5 VDC, 50% capacity, continuing down to 2 VDC. Minimum VDC adjusts the low end with a variable volume system. This is the absolute minimum the fans run when under temperature interlock. To adjust the setting, enter on it, and then adjust up or down with the arrows on the display. As a note, the minimum VDC cannot be higher than the maximum VDC setting. If you have a constant volume system, this setting will not appear and it is not applicable. The maximum set point adjusts similarly. To adjust the setting, enter on it, and then adjust up or down with the arrows on the display. Another note, the maximum VDC cannot be lower than the minimum VDC setting. Please note that for any adjustment, performance, building balance, and overall fan function can and will be affected. Adjustment is up to the discretion of the operator.